Hello guys! It's been a long time we don't see each other. And in this video, Mr. Fajar would like to give you
a project as your assignment. What is the project? What is it? And the project is, please make a short video about making sound. About making sound. You can use anything around you to produce sound. Can my parents help me? Yes, of course. Your parents can help you, but you must play it by yourself. You must play or produce the sound by yourself. How many things that I can use to make sound? As many as you can. Yeah. If you can produce some sound with some things, some stuff, do it. How about the duration, Mr. Fajar? The duration is about 1 minute. Yeah, it's about 1 minute, or it can be less than 1 minute. It's okay. Yeah. Then please send the video to my WhatsApp number or send it to the group of WhatsApp. Yeah. I think that's so clear. If you have any question, please ask me through the WhatsApp group or my private number. That's okay. Yeah. After this video, Mr. Fajar will show you the video when Mr. Fajar playing some instrument, playing some things that can produce sound. Yeah. Perhaps it can inspire you. It can be a good video for you. Yeah, you can enjoy it. Okay, thank you. See you. Bye.